Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. So first of all, a very warm greeting from me. And second, uh, I would be explaining you a few of the things about how to do a header file, how to perform a header file function, and how to perform a hex keypad function, and its different perspectives, and how to interface in key hex key and it's working as well. So first, as my code of hex keypad was already open, so I would be starting up with it, and then I would be showing you the next part of it. That would be that how to implement how we would go from 0 to 99 from a hex keypad and using 7 segment display. So first of all, here's our code that is written over here. So we have simply included a header file and AVR file, and then declared its speed. In this part, I've declared the four of them as input and four of them as output. The reason of pins of would be as input and output. So the reason of this would be that I have to create a one as the column and one as the row. Now, how the hex keypad works, that is very much important to understand this concept. So I would be explaining you this from here. I need a hex keypad. Okay. So over here, this is column one and this is row one. So when this row one and column one, this row one, this switch is this row would this C1 would be implemented, and it would go from here and it would be declared as the output. If this switch would be off, then this would go to the output. This explains how it works. Otherwise, it would simply go to the ground. If any of the if more than one or more or none would be open. So that was the technique how I've written my code over here. That is, I've simply declared its value. I've stored the value of the hex keypad in one function, that is x, and then I've created that if would be x is zero, then this is zero. The zero column is on. The zero row is first taken as a reference, and then I've created that if x value pin b and compared its value with 4 with in function, and then it's this, then it's 0 6 would be 6 would be um 0 6 of the output would be performed. It's simply like that. I found the next few function. This was a method of writing it. So let's first see it over. Okay, I forgot where's my keypad. Okay, this is my keypad. I've also driven LCD in it, but LCD was not be working in it because this is a hex keypad function without LCD. The header file is not even included, so that's why it's not working right now. So I will simply be going to this, and I would be uploading the file, and then I'll be showing you how it works. So oops, there is some problem. I've not built. I'm afraid I don't remember that I've changed something or not. Okay, so this was it. I'll upload it again. So it is working. So I've pressed 6 5 4 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So these are going 0. I've placed over here and I haven't declared them because I just needed 4 of them. So this is going absolutely correctly, and you can see the function is performing correctly. Now the next of them will be that how we have to, now let's see its practical example of how it works on uh, this hex keyword. Yeah, I've pressed this 8 button and it is declaring 8. So after this, our next would be that is it goes to 0 to 99. So it is simple code that we have created hex, and you can see over here it is going from 0 to 9 and with a very fast speed. If you want to see the slow version of it and how it is working, it would be it is given over here. You can see over here it is going from 0 and 2. This was going very fastly, like it is going from 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I have saved it finally because I was all changing the function again and then just to uh, a value. So that is, then it's open. Okay, so it is not read. So you can see the now let's I'll be explaining the code. First of all, the code is very simple. It is just a small code. In this first I've declared both the inputs and output, both of them the outputs ones, and then what I've done, both of them output. The one is port C and another is port B, and then I've declared all the values of hex keypad on it. Their combinations that were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then in the while loop I've created for loop. The first for loop works for the C port, and it would go from 0 to 9. The second nested loop of for loop would be also be going from 0 to 9, and it would be a go for working for port B. You can also include one more port and you can do it from 999, and that is how it works. So I hope you understood it. Thank you very much. Jalaf.